Hey everybody, Brian from Bear Bull Traders here. Friday, August 17th, TGIF. Just going to go over trade on MU I did in the room. Andrew kind of touched on it already because he did this trade as well. Got in a little later than I did, but we had some great trades today. AMAT and MU is one I was looking at. I just happened to be watching it, around 10 o'clock as it was making this top and pulling back a little bit. And so I was focused on it, which was, I guess part of the luck of trading. You just happen to be looking at the right stock at the right time. And one thing I just wanted to see if it was going to punch through this high. Um, and as you can see, it rejected it. So right away, I jumped in and shorted it. I thought my risk, obviously, my level of risk was very small. I got in at 46.98, and it would have covered up in 46.05 above. So I had a great entry, and that's one of the keys to having a good trade, getting a good entry. And right away, it sold off. So I covered some at 46.77, my favorite stopping point, and got a little tiny bit of money off, enough to cover commission, any slippage of here if it just decided to bounce back. And then I just continued to sell off, and I just rode it lower. I was looking at this level here, 46.50 as a level of support, and that's about what we had here. We did get a bit of a bounce here at this prior level of support, but that didn't hold either. I did take some off 46.44, but my ultimate goal was target was getting through VWAP, which it did, and we covered the rest around 46.30. I think Andrew took his off at 46.29, 46.27, something like that. One trade I did on this MU that I didn't post, I was watching it after, and I just wanted to see if it was going to continue lower. And you can kind of see here it did a bit of a double bottom here, so it dropped down, bounced up a little bit, came back down to that level and rejected it and went back up to the VWAP. Rejected the VWAP, and then it came back down and it made a higher low. And so I got kind of intrigued with that setup because, here's your low here, here's a higher low here. You can consider this one bottom, this two, or however you want to look at it. But period of consolidation for sure, a rejection from VWAP. But then when it started to move back towards the VWAP again after it made that new higher low, I just thought, it's probably going to punch back up to, because of the strength here, I thought, it's probably going to punch back up through the VWAP. So I took a long here and caught the move through the VWAP. So again, I thought that was a good setup. I'm sorry I didn't post it in the room. I just got I did this one, and I thought there was the chance that it was going to trail off. Although this was a nice setup with a higher low here. Anyway, that's it, guys. Have a great weekend. Get out, and enjoy family, friends, and get some exercise. And we'll see you on Monday morning in the room. Have a good one, everybody.